Why is there an enemy over here? Oh, my sword does fire damage. That's spiffy. I just learned that's good against these. You. What do you want?
I'll kill you all if I have to. Damn boggarts. Give me a moment. Suddenly, very dizzy. Talk to you later.
Actually, doesn't have a quest for me? That's some bull. Okay, let's see. Natural order is what we're tracking. I don't want that. Okay, north of here. Simple, simple. We can try our new spell while we are up there.
Perhaps there's some hope.
That's great. I have no hope. Okay, so I think my fate meter is good again. So that was a quick ability there. I want to try to get on a single enemy up here. Hey, buddy. Come here. Bam! Bam! Oh no, I failed. Bam. Bam. And kazam! The more enemies that I kill in front of me, the better. And there's my crit. Okay, we need to loot these reagents though for that one quest. No reagents found. Oh, it's a shame. That's effective. Wow, that's really spiffy. Crude iron great sword. Okay, some things I can salvage. They're very nice. I like things I can salvage. So I can blacksmith things. I think I salvage. I think I'd rather sell my things at blacksmith rather than salvage them again. But I mean, you never know. Coil's Bane. Oh, come on. They actually explained to me like the item qualities. I didn't have a chance to read it. Okay, so I need to kill 10 JOUTONS. Let's see if I can get like all 10 of them round up and pop my fate thing. My reckoning, I think it's actually formally called. So we can get a whole bunch of them together and pop my reckoning and get a lot of experience. 2 of them. And 2 of them. Let's see how much experience these guys give. Oh, that's so bad right there. I accidentally started pressing A at the beginning. Oh well, we still got something. Okay, so that's 2 down. A lot more to go. One boggart? Okay, so that guy wasn't very challenging. Nope. Okay. Nope. Here we go. About where started to. I'll have gold coins. Can I like buy or make lockpicks or something though? Because that'd be really handy. Cause I'm running out. Okay, so we're gonna go over here and kill these boxes because I like gold. The flour, make potions. Potions actually really cool because you actually experiment. Like, what does these make, or what do these make? And then bam, you make health potion. I use health potions a lot, so that's great. So if fire damage continues to own these guys. Do 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 do. This place stopped being like so much of a cave as much of an open area. Ow. Ow. These guys are the real deal. Sort of. They're kind of mindless. Ow. I didn't mean to kill them. Okay, so he dropped a lot of gold though, so it's okay. Wow, that's a lot of things to salvage. A lot of green items, which gives me some good salvaging stuff. So 4 out of 10 have been demolished. I'm gonna keep on going and see how many more we can kill. This isn't so bad. Not at all. Not at all. Huh, 3. You just dash through an earthquake like that? Oh my god, earthquake doesn't do anything against these guys. Point blank, lightning bolt to the face. Okay, so I got that guy down. Ow. Okay, there we go. It wasn't like... It could have went worse. There's a chest over here that I want to get. 2 chests, actually. One of them appears to be locked. Bejeweled bracelet. Oh, probably. Yeah, vendor trash. And then... What's this? Plus 10 mana. Plus 5 mana. What? Okay, it's got something. No. Accessories? For a beast magnified by contact with the holy relics of Saint Hadwin. Didn't I rob them and then kill one of their people? Okay, so I got those 2 and I got extra mana. That's cool. Yeah, I could use extra mana. I only have 1 necklace and 2 rings. That's something noteworthy. Whoa. Oh wow. A lot of extra health regen. Okay, so let's compare. The armor doesn't make up for the set bonus. The health regen does. I lose mana regen. I lose elemental resistance. I get block efficiency, I get health. I'll take it. Look, mismatch now. I honestly don't remember what it was. I think it was my gloves. I think my gloves look fine. You know, I've shown my helm for so long. I think it's time for a change. Because I forget what my face looks like, honestly. I really do. Hide helmet on. Okay. So now we can see our gorgeous eyebrows. I'm not sure if this cave has traps or not. I haven't seen any, so. What? If you look at the bottom of the screen, it says something. Okay, whatever, I'm seeing things. Boot chest. Got some stuff that I can make some basic things out of. These doors are always so weird. That's OP. Okay, that guy died very fast. Longsword or bloodletting? Do I have a longsword? I don't know. More piercing damage and has a bleed effect, but mine gives health and fire damage. I'll take it, I'm not gonna use it. What are these two? They look like just decoration. Because there's one over here too. I found a statue. I can't fully tell. It's like a fae, maybe? A fae statue? This is like magical place like a fae place would be. Why do the boggarts live here? Boggarts live in like a fancy abode and we live in a crappy little town. And lightning bolt to the back. Shield, secondary weapon to the face. That's one way to do it. Is that all I have to do? Is kill them? Can I keep going? 'Cause I want to. Tells me to find a way out. The quest is pointing me over yonder. Was that the last Jotun though? As it was, that was really easy.
By Telogris, you surprised me. What are you doing down here? I see my Jotun have failed at their orders. But did Padaxes send you? Lysander, perhaps? Tell me. Those fools have no idea what I'm capable of. Which is obvious if you're all they sent to stop me.
What are you doing down here? No, I want that big book. That big book looks important. I want it.
You act as though you're surprised to find me here. As if you weren't sent here to stop me. My pursuit. But you're too late. Even now, my deathless servants rise from centuries of slumber. It is clear I cannot let you live. But answer me this, and I'll grant you a swift death. Which one sent you? Was it Padaxes or Lysander? Fine. Whether you're an agent of the Rose Court or the Onyx Tower, you can take your secret to the grave. My
Who
spell
are
commands
you?
untold legions. Soon, both of their houses will crumble. You, however, will not live to see their ruin.
So this is kind of awkward. Ow. Let's do this. Let's go. I should have probably killed them all first before I did this guy. Actually, that disappeared. Iron kite shield and 200 gold. And this. Okay, so skeleton, I can loot him. I got a new shield. I've been using the shields that I got from the start of the game. Let's see if this is actually better. No, because mine has a socket. The ancient inscriptions in this book seem to fade and crawl before your eyes. The only portion that remains clear and legible is the following: city slumbered dark and still until awakened to my will. Silver circle, emerald flame, what has slept shall rise again. A strange symbol seems to follow these words, but then perhaps it's not a symbol at all. Oh, that's great. Ooh. Sorcery hand wraps. I don't have any ice spells, or that'd be cool. No, I don't care if I don't have no space. I am looting this. I'll get rid of this little thing. When I get back to town, I am fully... Did I put that back in my bag? When I get back to town, I'm definitely salvaging and selling. Return to Kester Barclay. Easy. Easy peasy. So I saved the town from the Boggarts. Or I guess from the JOUTONS. The JOUTONS are a little bit more threatening than Boggarts for me. Hi. Grim on wing.
My. Is Starcamp being visited by a goddess? Are they all as beautiful as you? Maybe I should slap on a habit and join the mission down the road. You're in Starcamp, home of the Traveller's Dove. Now, I don't suppose you came here by accident. Ask Dove. Ask to join our number. Well, I've seen fist-sized rubies, living people made of vines, and I've even seen a Jotun cry. But this is a first. Why join? The Travelers are renowned rogues, thieves, and all-around good folk. If you live in the shadows, away from the law, we're for you. You want riches? We'll help you take them. You want fame? They'll sing songs of you forever. Want adventure? Look no further.
Huh. You're very compelling.
I thought by the look of you that you might. I've a good feeling about you. But some feelings count less around here than they should. I'll send you to the camp's leader, Krilgarin. She'll get you on your way.
Okay. That's kind of cool, I guess. I need to go talk to the leader over here, over yonder. Starcamp. Okay. The town can wait. I'm joining a band of thieves. Splash. What's this pool of water? My sword's on fire in the middle of water. I'd rather have that to sell. I'd rather keep my armor. I want to sell an item. Oh, so they give me some recipes I can actually use. Okay. So my components, reagent bag. I can get rid of those, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that'd be good. Junk. Get rid of all this.
The Nars Lamentus. I've never spent much time among the Fae. Heroine's a regular mistress.
The dust of the road rises to meet you, wanderer. Welcome to Star Camp.
I want to know more about Star Camp.
This place has been walked by many, and this copse was hollowed ground once. We maintain it.
Thanks.
Then Grim has appraised you and found you of worth. But there is another you must appease. Our guide, the anonymous Hierophant. Go to the Hierophant shrine in our camp and pray, as all travelers must. We have many freedoms and one chain. A traveler lives by his or her hands and guile. You must do the same. Trader Hayden sells items to supplement these skills if you need.
Okay.
May the wind be at your back. What prays before me? An eddy in the river of fate. A cacophony in the song of Amalur. Your presence is unnerving. But you have come and prayed, and honored our creeds. You wish to make yourself a traveler? Then ask me for my portents. For true trust, for true compliance, the Hierophant must have no weakness, nor fault, nor lapse. In other words, the Hierophant must be no one. The price to admit you is great. It will take 3 treasures to balance the burden. First, there is a noble Elfwig Grilrakas staying in Dyden Hill. Steal his medallion. Then, in the nearby mission, claim the pall of the dead Saint Edrix. The last are Drog's toothpicks. We have contacted their owner, Gunnar Frode, to buy the items, but you will steal them instead. Yes, some final warnings. Elfwig Grilrakas is a fastidious man. He will not suffer an approach he can see. The pall of Edric lies in his tomb, which is under many eyes. Wait until none are near before you claim it. And last, Gunnar Frode is shifty. He will not have the daggers on him or near him. Be warned.
Okay, so this would be a very good quest line on my rogue. However, I'm not playing my rogue, I'm playing my warrior.
Greetings. For your coin, I can help you improve your stealth and hide your presence.
How much? Whoa, overpriced.
Let your steps fall silently.
It's a Fate Weaver over there. You.
Hello there.
Oh, not you. Okay, so we should really get back to the town. We gotta steal some stuff, which should be fun as like a warrior paladin type person. And we gotta tell the townspeople they're safe again.